Steering has never been easier. See, clean, record, and turn. JetCam combines these 4 steps in one unit. Working with JetCam means that hard-to-reach areas and unidentified piping are a thing of the past. On the stainless steel coiler, we have 60 meters of either half or 3/8 hosing. On the steering piece, we have the camera head complete with shockproof casing. And on the other end is the nozzle with ceramic nozzle inserts. Under the camera head on the steering piece is a small steering nozzle. The steering nozzle allows us to simply fly over obstacles and easily navigate 45 and 90-degree branches. Here we have a 3/8 rotation nozzle. It may seem small, but has powerful cleaning and push capabilities. Here we have the optional front jetting nozzle. It is simply mounted with casing on the camera head. The jet allows us to effortlessly remove blockages. The JetCam 40 Pro, the perfect tool for underground and domestic piping.